What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we've got a major update with the broken C8, so let's get right to the video. That is loud. So as you guys can see, we have no C8 here, and if you watched my last video, you'll know that I went to the track and ended up breaking an axle on the C8 Corvette. Looks like we broke something, guys. Now we've got the car to the dealership right away, and it's been sitting there for about a week, a little over a week now. And last week they let me know that GM did go ahead and approve my replacement axle under warranty, which was awesome. But unfortunately there was no ETA on when that axle would arrive. It was on back order. Parts availability has been an issue everywhere, including with this truck here, this 2019 GMC Denali. We had that thing waiting for a TCM valve body for over a week until it got fixed and repaired. So parts availability on anything is really difficult and unknown nowadays. So when I heard that the axle was on back order, I figured it's probably gonna take maybe a week, 2 weeks to get this on the road. But today I got a call. The car is ready. They were able to work their magic and get me a part, get me an axle. The parts department at AutoNation Chevrolet here on Gulf Freeway did an awesome job and got me that axle at pretty much within 3 or 4 days of getting the replacement approved. And they went to work, replaced the axle, and the car is ready to go. So right now we're gonna go head over to the dealership, pick up the car, and finally bring it home so that we can kind of go over a few more details and things that GM is going to be replacing, because they're not only replacing my axle, but they're also replacing something else in the car under warranty. So stick around to the end of the video to find out exactly what I'm talking about. The car is ready to go, and a lot of you guys were mentioning and wondering, dang, was GM gonna cover that under warranty? And lo and behold, yes they did, guys. They had to plug into the car, make sure that the car's settings or anything was not messed with and that the car was in proper modes. But they did all that, and GM approved my warranty replacement. That's what these cars are made, guys. These cars are Corvettes at the end of the day, and they are made for performance spirited driving in any place, road course, drag strip, wherever. So with that said, let's go pick up the C8. All right, we are finally here. We've got the car. It's so dusty. I'll definitely have to get this thing washed, but we are good to go, guys. Huge shout out to AutoNation Chevrolet. They took care of me. Now, one thing that, make sure I don't hit this car here. One thing that they're also going to be taking care of, guys, is all of these door panels. As you can see, the door panel is loose there. The leather up here, you can see how the leather has lifted up, and more importantly, this section here, look at this, look at that bubbling. You can see it there, and especially here in the corner where it's kind of come up on the edge. All that is going to be replaced, which is awesome. So GM approved the replacement of all the leather, and super awesome, super excited, because it's not horrible, but you can definitely tell if you saw my track video. In the track video, you could definitely see how that dash was kind of lifted up. So can't wait till that all gets replaced. Unfortunately, their stuff is on back order, so once that comes in, then we can bring the car back and have them replace that. But for now, let's go ahead and turn this car on. Oh yeah. And no check engine lights, so we're good to go. And the is ready. All in all, guys, thank you GM Chevrolet. You guys did an awesome job. Y'all took care of me and were able to get this thing replaced, fixed, and back up and running very quickly, considering there was no ETA on when that axle was gonna get here. Shout out to AutoNation and the parts department. They worked their magic and did what they had to do to get that part and get this thing back in the road. Now I can enjoy this weather, beautiful weather, and start doing more stuff to this car, guys. Got some pretty cool things in store for the car, so make sure that you hit the like button, consider subscribing, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of the videos. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this short, quick video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.